Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me, and I am coming at you with a makeup video. Welcome to my channel. If you are an old subscriber, welcome back, you guys. I know somebody probably gonna say you color correct with orange, but I don't like it because I don't do a full face of foundation, so it doesn't turn out right for me. And I'm using this LA Girl Concealer in Fun on the bottom, and then on the top I'm gonna do the side. I use Toast. And I just put this all over my lid. Okay, so blend out that top. Try not to mess up your work. Okay, so I use this Maybelline waterproof eyeliner. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna darken. Like it. So I take my spoolie and I blend it in at the beginning so you can't tell where I started that liquid liner at. I cover this up. This is all I do. I cover up my marks. I'm gonna take my Fun and I'm gonna go right here and highlight. Okay, so now I'm gonna go up here with Toast because I need something to blend into that, you know, the transition. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out first and try to blend it out as even as possible, okay? And before you put your powder and stuff on it. I have this loose setting powder by True Complexion Black Radiance, and set this evenly. Don't just slap it on there. If you watch somebody else, they will go over with another powder. Yes, I used to do that. Get a little bit. That's why I said I was almost through with my brows. I have this one right here at Revolution Banana Powder. And I get this from, what's the name of that makeup store? Not Sephora. And I'm going to take this color and I'm going to put it right here. But I put this one on top of the brown one to bring back that lightness that I took away. I don't get rid of it from up under my eyes because I'm finna do my eyeshadow. And it's gonna help me when I have that fallout. It's gonna help me to brush off that eyeshadow. This orange color for my transition. I'm gonna go into my crease with some black. Make sure y'all blend it out good when you use black, okay? And I'm gonna go right here and right here with that black. You want to blend your makeup until it kind of look like airbrush effect. Y'all see that? Okay, you see that? So first I'm gonna do the lighter green, then I'm going with the darker green. And so to intensify the color, I'm gonna use my setting spray and I'm gonna spray my brush. And it comes out of this palette right here. Makes sense to do it that way. Okay, come out of that palette. And I'm gonna use this lighter green. So I went about halfway with that. Okay, so I faded it. And I go up higher in my crease with mine because my crease is so low. And it's that green right there. It's a little darker. And I'm just gonna pack that right next to that to help blend that one out. Going into that black just a little bit. And overlapping that one. You know, make it look airbrushed on that first green so I can go and blend out that one a little bit more. I'm just gonna take this right here, this blender brush that I had at first with that transition color, and I'm just gonna lightly touch that to blend that line out a little bit. And then I feel like I need to get my black one, kind of smoke it a little bit. So I'm going into that Kenya, and I'm doing just like this. And look how it's gonna hide that line. Y'all see that? Coming in here. Coming close to that one, you know? Shaping my forehead. Which I don't have a big forehead to me, but coming on top of it, up here. And I come down here. And do my jawline. Blend all this out. Use your brushes for what you like to use them for. I know this is a powder brush. And go on top of this, blend that out. Go at it. Strobe highlighter by Revolution. I like to go right here in my brow. That's the only reason I do my nose. I just bring it down because I feel like it's the right thing to do. You know, if I'm gonna do my brow right there, let me blend the highlight out. Same brush, and I go right up under my brows with it. And then I come right here on my nose and down the center of my nose. I'm going back into my liquid liner, and I like to darken my moles. Okay, so now those is on. Okay, y'all, so this is the look. It turned out good. Y'all see that? Alright, y'all, so this your girl Tiana, I Can Only Be Me. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Like I said, if you are new to my channel, go over and watch one of my videos. If you like it, then you subscribe. Until next time, this your girl Tiana, I Can Only Be Me. Peace, and y'all have a blessed day.